These research posters were created with the assistance of notebooklm. Research posters play a vital role in academic and scientific communication because they visually summarize the most important aspects of a study, allowing complex research ideas to be understood quickly and clearly. Instead of reading long documents, viewers can grasp the purpose, methodology, and key findings at a glance. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of generating a research poster for free using AI tools. First, open ChatGPT to generate a suitable prompt for your research topic. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to develop an AI prompt focused on employee workplace stress and burnout, or any other academic field according to your requirement, for creating research posters. Press Enter. Once the prompt is generated, copy it. Next, open your web browser and search for notebooklm. Click on Try New to get started. Choose the option that allows you to paste copied text and paste your AI-generated prompt there. After that, select the Generate Infographics option. The system will take a few moments to process your input and design the research poster. Once the poster is ready, open it to review the layout, visuals, and content. You can make adjustments if needed, and finally, download the research poster for presentations, conferences, or academic submissions. This method saves time, requires no design skills, and helps you create professional quality research posters effortlessly using AI.